CNBC-TV18.com presents AI Dialogues, the CEO series, in association with IBM.
Mr. Patel, if I can ask you, what's IBM's long-term sort of vision for how AI will develop in India in that sense? And how do you balance the business case versus some of the ethical considerations?
As we started to move towards generative AI, we were very clear that we needed to have a platform that was open and hybrid by design. There is no AI without data. You've got to have data organized properly and so on. Now, the reality is that data exists all over the place. It exists on your on-premise servers. It exists on the cloud. There is a lot of data that's around us now that we are actually able to read.
Right.
That is transient data. It tends to lose relevance within a few nanoseconds after it's created, like, sensor data or weather data and so on. So all of this data has to be brought together, which is why the whole notion of having hybrid architectures is important. So you can have your data seamlessly move across these different platforms and be used by AI. So open and hybrid by design, very important. Second, there's got to be data provenance. So you need to know where the data came from, whether you can trust it, whether it is owned by you, and so on and so forth. And that then leads to the fact that you are able to have results that are explainable and free from bias. So that is where the AI governance comes in. So that was another very important facet of factoring that into our platform. And then the third area was this whole notion of language models. So we had seen language models evolve. And so what we have evolved into as a part of our platform is made it multi-model. So you can have multi-model that can work through it. But there's also this new generation of small language models, which are becoming a lot more relevant. And all of those, we actually believe that they should be in open source technology so that people can actually innovate from that.
CNBC-TV18.com presents AI Dialogues, the CEO series, in association with IBM.